Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I am with Everett, and Everett, 17 months old? Oh my goodness, Everett's 17 months old. He has Down syndrome, and he just had his G-tube taken out. One of the questions I get a lot is on for having kids who do not put weight on their legs. Everett fortunately does. I did a video on how to get weight bearing, and I had some more questions. There are some kids who, sensory-wise, do not want to put their feet down. So these kind of kids, when you try to put them down, their legs go up in the air. I mean, their feet can be up close to their head, trying not to put weight on their feet. So you really need to address the sensory component of some kids who do not want to weight bear. And one of the ways I do that is I work on what I call foot pounding, boom, 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 and foot sliding. You just want to get so that they will tolerate all sorts of sensory input to their feet. You could do foot massage, the foot pounding, the foot sliding, anything you want just to try to increase the amount of sensory input they have to the foot. And I have seen over and over again for those kids who are just avoiding completely, I mean, this is their legs, not putting weight on their legs. It's a good way to just try to get them tolerant of input to their feet. I hope that's helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.